Guys, these is now trending over every social platform, and you can also gain thousands of followers by posting this same videos. And if you want a quick growth in this AI trend, then watch this full video. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. Guys, first head over to prompt link, and here you will see Universal Object plus Material Master Prompt Generator. Yes, this is the only single prompt we are going to use today, but this is not the main. The main thing is how to use it correctly to get perfect result every single time. Now simply copy this full Universal Object plus Material Master Prompt Generator, and then head over to any chatbot. You can use Claude, or either you can use ChatGPT. I both give similar result, so now I am using ChatGPT. And then here in the prompt box, simply paste your universal prompt. After that, the main process begin, so watch it carefully. As you can see that ChatGPT asks you to choose your object, and also provide you 10 choices. Simply select any one you like, or if you want to provide you own object name, then simply type its name. For now, I am selecting any one of these. Now the process move further, and now it will ask you to choose your material. Here it will also show you what object you have selected. Now simply choose anyone from the list and type its number and hit enter. After that, it will lock the status and move to final configuration and start generating 2 new prompts for you, which is the important steps in this entire process, which I will show you later how to use them correctly. So here the first prompt will be image or storyboard master prompt, and the second prompt will be video master prompt. Now open any AI tool which support image generation, but I am using Flow AI because it supports both and it make the process very simple. So now click on New Project, and here click on this option, and then choose Image section. Now copy my exact setting, otherwise your result may vary. First select the ratio to 9:16 ratio, and then choose Nano Banana 2 as your image model for best quality. After this, change the quantity to 1, because it will generate accurate result. Now after all of this, go back to ChatGPT and simply copy your first prompt, which is image prompt. After that, go back to Flow AI, and then paste the prompt in the prompt box. Once that done, hit generate, and it will start generating the image for you. Now here comes the important step, which is video generation. So now click on this option again and choose video section. Now again, copy my exact setting to get perfect result. First, change the video ratio to 9:16. Then select the video model as OmniFlash. After that, set the video duration to 10 seconds. For the video quantity, that's completely up to you. I'm keeping it at 1 for this example. Now everything is ready, so click on the generated image and now click on 3 dots. And it will show you many different options, but just select Add to Prompt option. After that, your image will be added to the prompt box. Now go back to the ChatGPT. Here, copy the video prompt and go back to Flow AI, and then paste your prompt in the prompt section. Once everything is done, simply click on Generate, and now the video generation will begin. This is where all the work we did in the previous steps finally comes together, so let's wait for it to finish. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.